Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP on the daily time frame here today. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe before we begin. It really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at XRP. We can see it's doing very well. Obviously, very bullish news about it basically winning its lawsuit. Obviously, the settlement is still to be fully confirmed, but it does look as though they are doing extremely well right now, and you can see it's reflected in the price here. A really crazy move to the upside. A huge 100% move, over 100%, 103%, down from around the 46 cent level all the way up to 94, almost 95 cents. In my opinion, absolutely wild. And we can see here, I did put in a very rudimentary kind of coiling formation here that I saw on the hourly time frame. This is obviously not drawn in correctly at all, so I'll just quickly fix this. Obviously, you've got your support like that, and then your resistance. I like to use just actual candlesticks and not wicks to basically decide and show these kind of coiling motions. And you can see XRP here is actually on the way up after having a coiling motion. I thought with such a big pump that potentially it would start to roll to the downside, but it looks as though we're actually sitting right now in a position where we're looking quite bullish, aren't we? You can see very clearly this kind of coiling formation did start to form. You get your massive pump, your wick rejections, you start to roll over, you come down, you form a clear bottom, and then you can see moving to the side. I thought we'd probably start to get stuck under this 0.50 level at around 73-74 cents, but actually moved back above it, retested it, came down again. You can see what's starting to happen is, you know, we're coiling. You draw in the little formation, and really we've just got the breakout backtest continuation, haven't we? Pretty simple trade this would have been to take, actually. Right now, XRP on the hourly time frame, to be honest, looking pretty bullish, to be fair. Like, it's at least going to come back up and test these highs up at around 83 cents, in my opinion, before getting a true rejection. But to be honest, holding a lot of strength that I didn't think probably we would see. But I mean, it's a pretty typical chart formation that you see quite a lot, isn't it? A huge pump, coil, and then, you know, people say you're looking at something like this. If I just quickly draw this in, I'm not for 1 second saying that this is going to happen, but if we do see ourselves doing something like this, where you get your continuation, I mean, getting up above, well up above $1 to around 130 would be absolutely crazy, wouldn't it? Not to mention the fact that that would literally cleanly break out of that overall massive coiling formation that we've seen for XRP here for such a long time. And I mean, realistically speaking, if we get up above and outside this 5-year bear market resistance here and backtest and start to move like this, I mean, we could be looking at some crazy plain sailing for XRP in reality, couldn't we? Obviously, we had a huge pump back in the day. In the last bull market, I did get the impression we were getting a bit suppressed by the SEC case against XRP and Ripple. You could see, obviously, if we did anything like this, we'd be heading well up into the hundreds of dollars. I'm not suggesting that's going to happen at all anytime soon, but you know, there's a lot of potential on the cards for XRP, in my opinion, now that it's actually finally free from the crippling influence of that case. So very interesting to see what happens next. In my opinion, you know, you could argue that we are just kind of coming up and testing the top of these wicks here. I think realistically more sideways is on the cards for XRP. I can't imagine this is going to extend much more to the upside. We could see potentially, I think, a retest of this 618 level up at around 92-93 cents. But overall, I would say this is probably looking pretty damn overextended overall. And in my opinion, pretty obvious that we're probably going to see a little bit of sideways for a good while, or maybe a bit more of a retracement like this as time goes on, because obviously right now this is crazy overextended. But you know, things like this happen all the time in crypto, and if it does get that settlement announced and it's favorable settlement, you know, you could see another massive spike for XRP and just absolutely crazy movement. So right now I'm not getting into any trades on this because I think the volatility is going to be pretty mad, but very interesting to see how things are progressing, and we will see how things unfold over the next few weeks. Congratulations to all XRP holders. You're doing exceptionally well right now. Very nice to see people winning. Please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. Check back every day for a new video. Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next video.